When you first get into trading, don't tell anybody that you're trading. Don't tell your family and don't tell your friends. Do not tell anybody. There is not a single person in this world who understands trading like a trader. Only a trader understands the patience and the discipline required and how much time it takes to be successful. Every single person around you is going to say it's gambling, that you're risking everything, and that it's a waste of time. But great things take time, so be patient and keep going.
I'd like to welcome you guys back to another episode of WealthWiseGuru. And I'm your host, John Chad. And it is Tuesday morning. It's August the 6th, 2024. And after the rough day yesterday of the market, a virtually bloodbath, looks like my portfolio is trying to recover this morning. My account has a deflect on it this morning, so I'm going to be going through the deflect and showing you guys how to get out of that account deflect. And let's see. The market hasn't opened yet. We still about an hour. We still are about an hour away from the market from being open. Maybe an hour and 10 minutes or so. Well, let's go over the portfolio and look at the options that I have. And as you can see, if you scroll on down to about the fourth one here, it's called the S&P-Y. That's the S&P 500. So actually, when the market went down yesterday, like it did on Sunday night, I had already put my bid and strategy into place. And what I did, I put a put. I put a put, and I had the striking date to deliver. Actually, to the 30th. Actually, I had striking puts that was that I stretched out to 30 days to the end of August. But yesterday the market went down, and it was such a bloodbath until one of the puts actually made $4,363. So when you're having a bloodbath in a market like it was yesterday, you can actually make money when your account is going down like that. And that's why it's important for you guys to learn how to do option trading, and that keep you from losing so much money. Matter of fact, you can make money, gain profit from knowing how to do option trading. Like I told you in the past in my previous videos, doing a put means that you're expecting for the stocks market to go down. Doing a call means that you're expecting the market to go up. You can do either a call or a put simply by listening to the news and seeing what the news report is saying about a particular stock. My favorite news source would be a Bloomberg report, or either Yahoo Finance, and you can get both of those on YouTube as well. And matter of fact, I had them on speed dial to make sure I know what's going on in the market. One thing for sure, you can't just be trading in the market and not knowing what you're doing, and going into trading with blindfolds on, or being blind. It reminds me of Star Wars. Star Wars. Like Luke, use the Force. So you can't be going into this, man, using the Force. You got to have both eyes open so you can see what's actually going on in the market. If you're watching the news, the Yahoo Finance or Bloomberg report, they're gonna tell you what's going on because they have a stake in this also. They don't want to lose their money, so you're tuning in to them to see what's going on in the marketplace. Then you can better make decisions on a particular stock or a particular company that you are interested in. So we're gonna be going over a couple of things this morning, just before the market opens. And like I said, the S&P 500. I made 4,000 over 4,000 on one particular strategy, and I think it was 55,000 on another particular strategy. I'm going to be going over those and actually trying to resolve the deflect in the in my portfolio, for you guys can see actually how to do this and what I'm doing. So like I said, I have a 53,665 gain. This from yesterday, and this was from this was what called my account to deflect. And as you can see this morning, the S&P 500 is up by $3.23, and that's pre-market. And as you can see, the little warning down here that they have for me. You can't buy stocks until the trading day after you cover your margin call. So, but I have actually 103 shares that was assigned to me. They're valued at $53,643.64, and the average cost is $563.20. That's about 51.17% of my portfolio. Days return already before the market even opened is $341.11. And then subtract $4,401.29. So if I want to keep this particular shares in my portfolio, I would probably need to deposit at least this amount of money in order to keep these shares. And I got these shares because I put a put in, and the actually stock came in what you call the money. It came into the money, and by it becoming into the money, I received an early, what you call an early assignment. And so these actually shares, 103 shares, was actually assigned to me, to my portfolio, and they are, like I said, they are valued at $53,668.38. And so since I do not have the money in my bank account to cover such a stocks. I wish I did. Once upon a time, I did have the money, but my portfolio now is so down. So now I don't have the money. So I'm in what you call a rebuilding phase. But if I had the money, man, I would simply just pay the value of this particular stock or strategy, and just keep these shares. then I would turn around and sell them later on. But uh, and and, uh, and like I said, the value of $53,000. So since I can't do that, my account is in deflect, and you will resolve a deflect simply by depositing money into your account. And if you do not have the money uh, to cover the deflect, then you just simply sell out of the position, or you close the position. So in other words, you just have to just close or sell the particular shares that has been assigned to you. And by closing those shares, it will cover the deflect, and whatever's left, it will be in your profit, and it will go into your account. In this case, I really don't know what will be left until I actually do it. It could be 1,500. It could be 500. It could be 10,000. It could be 20,000. So I really don't know until I actually do it. So I decided to make this video earlier this morning, just before the stock open. Cause once the stock market comes open, then it's everything start changing again, and then that who knows, that particular stock is still ongoing because I have not closed out. So it can actually go up in value. It can actually go out of the money and cost me more money just to sell it, or to close the position, or either roll out of the position. Because one thing about dealing with stocks, especially option trading, every position or every move that you make, you have to pay for that particular position in one term or another. You either pay for it by cash, or you pay for it by collateral, or you own collateral shares in that particular stock. And we're gonna click on this put. This is the put here that actually made me. It actually got assigned to me, and right now, like I said, it's one contract, and it was at $43.63. Average cost $11. Market value of this is $4,363. I bought this on the 6th. And so I think today it's the 7th. So this actually don't expire to the end of the month. But like I said, I'm not gonna wait till the end of the month, because I ain't gonna tell you what this crazy market is doing today. I wait till the end of the month. It may not even be worth it. It might be worth $1,000, and then I might might go out of the money, and it cost me even more money to even close it. And it lessen my profit. So we gonna go ahead and take care of this before the market open. Then if I feel that the stock is going to, the S&P or Y is going to go down again, I'll just place me another put on it, and watch the profit come in. But so far from what I can tell this morning, it looks like the market starting to rebound from the bloodbath that we had yesterday. So, well, let's and because I'm in using the Robinhood platform, they're not gonna let me trade or sell or take any money out until I actually take care of this account deflect. So let's try to take care of it now, because these already the market like it's starting to fall again. We just don't know what the market's gonna do to the open. And one thing for sure, once it open, man, it can be way up here and it just drops straight down, and don't even come back up, and then your money, man, just dwindle away. So let's click on account deflect. And see, say you have an individual account deflect or $27,415.43, and can't open a new position until the deflect is resolved. To resolve your individual account deflect, you can deposit more funds or close positions. Any pending deposit that aren't instantly available will be reflected in your deflect amount once they are completed. And so, like I said, what I done is got an early assignment and say one or more of your option contract were assigned to you prior to the expiration date. And there it goes in detail why it was assigned to you. So I don't think I need to go over this, but this is what happens. This is what you guys need to do if you are into this situation. You either have to sell those particular shares, or you just have to you just have to make a deposit from your bank account for the amount of money that you need to have in order to cover this deflect. And since I definitely don't have no $27,000 cover this. So you'll click take action, and here say early assignment. Early assignment happens when you sell when you sell an option contract, and they are asked to fulfill its terms before expiration. Since this contract is part of a multi-layered strategy, we guide you through a few actions you can take with the other legs. And so if you want to know what those things are, you just simply click on more. So I already been here twice before, so I already know what to do. So I'll just click on continue. Let's see, and I said what would you like to do? You can take a few different action on your other option legs. Exercise contract or sell the underlying share. This might be better. Exercising the contract might be better if your contract are in the money. You sell the underlying share. This might be better if your contract is out of the money. So in this particular case, I think my contract is into the money. We'll click on that. And so now you just choose which contract that you want to exercise on. So we're going to click this first one. And it's a up to 1, so we just place 1 here. Striking point here was $562. Total credit is $56,200. So we are I don't know how much of this I would chance to keep. Like I said, what we're gonna find out. Okay, and I can't do this. You don't have enough of XPY shares of individual account to cover this cost of this exercise. So, okay, so I know what I did wrong then. So we'll go back over here. Well, let's see. Let's see on this one. your contract still has a high value. High, your contract still has a high statutory value. So we definitely don't want to mess with that right now. So we go back out of here, and we'll hit this one. Sell the underlying shares. And let's see. Hold on a minute. Let's hit dollar amount. Let's hit shares. Okay. Then we're gonna go up here. Type in 1. Well, actually, we can just hit. We'll see. And see if I want to sell that one. I just hit all. Actually, I don't have, but let's see. I don't know. Are you sure you want to trade it, or you sure you want to place this trade? You may own S&P. Why? Because of an assignment of an option. If that option was originally paired with a put, placing this trade might exceed the original max loss protection. If you still want to place this trade, you can avoid exceeding your max loss protection simply by setting the limit price greater than your paired long put strike price. So let's edit that. And let's just do it's still saying the same thing. So this in this case, I should be able to once I sell this, I think I will be able to keep these shares. I'm not sure. Okay, now the account is still in the flick of $3,000. So we're gonna go over here and also resolve it. Again, if you want to resolve this reflect, you would simply close out a position or either sell a position, or you would simply make a deposit. So let's click take action, continue, and let's do underlining shares again. Okay, it says no sellable shares, so let's go back out and let's do something else. And let's see if this works. Not enough shares again. And sometimes if you can't get this to work out in your favor, or work out correctly, you can just sit there and keep stock because you never know, it might go, the stock might go back up in value enough to where you can cover the particular particular split. So right now it's not letting me do anything. So let's see. So we're gonna have to figure this out. And so let's see, can we figure this out? Let's go down here to this here on trade. We can either roll this particular position. We can roll this position, or we could sell it. So let's just go ahead and just sell out of this. Cause it don't make no sense to roll. I don't want to roll a put, cause the market has a lot of volatility, and could tell what it's doing. You can actually roll this thing and be in the actual worse position than what you're in now. So just the best just to get rid of it. And then now the order has been set. And so now we just have to wait for the market to open. So you guys see what I did? I just simply went down to the particular options that I had left that was also causing the deflect, and I just sold it. You just click on trade, and then you click on sell. You can also roll out of that position. If you was to roll out of that position, you just simply click on roll out of that position. Because I now already did. I'm just showing you guys, and that's why it's just popping up. So usually, what happens if you want to roll out of a position, you would simply click on select new date, and then you would select a date. You would select a date out in the future. Anything beyond the set date that you set for this particular trade, it was set at August the 30th. So if you want to set, you had to set another date beyond August the 30th. You can go to 31st if it's after 31st in this month, or you can go September 3rd, or you can go September 1st, or anything in between it. If you want to, it's roll out of that particular position. And remember, every time you make a movement out of a position, whether you're selling or rolling out of that position, you're going to need to have collateral to cover that move. You're going to have cash on hands from your account in order to cover that particular strategy. So now we just had to simply wait for the market to open and see what I would get in terms of credit once this particular order is accepted and placed. Right now it's at $19,585, and it's up by $410. And like I said, I wanted to go ahead and just close that out before the market can open, because ain't no telling what's gonna happen once the market opens. The crazy volatility and craziness start again, and I want to just be out of that position before that happens again. So, but I have some more positions here that I need to close also for this month. This one here is necklace come due Friday. It's also a put, and so I need to close out this position as well. I'll simply hit trade and sell. Go up here and place 1 and 3.50 payment 50. Then you will hit that's the estimated credit I will receive off this particular strategy. Simply hit review, then swipe up. And so this order will we had to wait till the market opens and in order for this particular strategy to go through. And I sold that because it's due this month. I also have one Tesla. That ain't worth pile of horse crap. That ain't for $5. But let's see. Let's click on this anyway. Let's see if we can get with this. Just keep on. This just gonna expire worthless unless it comes back. So since we have till the 16th of this month, we can actually keep this just in case it comes back. You never know. So let's just hang on for that, man, right now, because it ain't worth nothing but $5. I ain't losing nothing by keeping it. And let's see. And we the bit of the we have actually put in it also. Matter of fact, we have 2 puts in the Leviticus this month. And so let's close out these 2 positions as well. One of them is $1,135. Just simply click on that. Click on trade. Click on sell. And you don't want to hold these. You don't want to hold these positions. Trying to be greedy, and you are holding on these positions to the strike date. The idea is to close out these positions. Actually, 100 days before the actually striking date come into play. But since we don't have 100 days, we just have a few weeks. So let's just go ahead and close this out while we got maximum gain right now. So we just simply hit review and swipe up. And so we can take our profit and get into another position if we want to just keep going forward. And we got one more. The Leviticus coming in at the end of the month, so they have $710 on it. So let's click on it. Let's hit trade. Let's hit sell. Go up here and type in 1. And let's go on here and type in 7.00. That's almost $700 instant credit. So we'll hit review and then swipe up. And so we have quite a few positions, option positions that we're closing out this morning. So we're gonna let this stuff ride. Let's see how many we got. We have 1, 2, 3. We are at 4 positions that we're actually closing out. It's one on top in the bigger 358, and then Tesla 328, and then S&P Y at 4,000. Then the Nvidia for the end of the month, I had 2 of those and closed those out, and plus the sale of that 100 shares that was assigned to me from the S&P 500. So right now it's not even showing what money or credit I would receive in my account. So I have to wait until the bell rings, and then once the bell rings and they process my order, then you will see right here. You will see uh, the amount of profit that I actually made off this particular trade. So we're gonna come back on in a few minutes. I'm gonna stop here and get me some breakfast. We're gonna come back on in a few minutes, and then you guys see what I actually profit on this particular trade. And you'll listen to Wealth Wise Guru, and I'm your host, John Shaft. I'm gonna see you guys in about 30 minutes. And we are here at the opening of the bell, and we're waiting for these particular orders that we have put in to come through to see what actually I would have in terms of credit. Right now it's at almost $4,000. Well, it's at 4,000 now, so let's see. And you can see you got a lot of stuff popping up here. Let's wait till some of the stuff settles. I believe one of the particular strategies has went through, and that actually covered the deflect on the account. And right now we are up $4,000 buying power, and we have I think 3 other positions that we are waiting to go through. They're currently in the pending stages. So we're going to see, are they going to sell this morning, or are they going to sell sometime during the day? And as you can see, they still got a lot of red. They have a lot of red this morning. They have a lot of we got some green also. Kind of would like to see more red though than you to see green. And but it's turning, going back and forth. So when you guys see that, don't let this bother you. That you have a red. Red just means that it's time to and as you can see, the market is kind of crazy this morning. Count was back into a deflect mode because the market has went down. Started off in the downward slope like it did yesterday when it closed out. So we just have to wait this thing out to see what happens. A lot of red, just a lot of red this morning still from yesterday, and it's still red today. We still have 3 pending orders of option trades that I trying to act on. So we're gonna leave these in place. So I don't even know if because I was actually trying to place these orders before the market open. But they don't tell me what was going to happen before the market opened. But I don't know, man. This don't look like this is going in my favor this morning. Let's see. So I was hoping that since I actually put these orders in before the market opened, that it would uh, go through. But I don't know. Still, still in the pending mode. So I don't know. We was hoping that the Fed would step in, do an emergency meeting, and lower the rates. But the Fed, they don't care about uh, what you as an investors is losing in the market. They claim they don't have enough information yet to do such things. So we may just have to wait this thing out. But looks like we starting off this day here as well as a lot of volatility and a lot of stocks on sale this morning. And you are listening to another episode of Wealth Wise Guru. And I'm your host, John Shaft. Pre-market was way better than what the actual market looked like for the bell ring. Pre-market was good. Even the government bonds are down this morning. Treasury bonds are down. So that must mean the market is trying to rebound. That's what it used to happen when the market as a whole is rebounding and treasury bonds uh, goes down. And then when the market's going down, treasury bonds usually go up. So hopefully we have a positive gain today. And that means more when it opened this morning, it just dropped. As you can see, down now $600. So I don't know if these particular strategies that I try to close out on before the market open even be accepted this morning. But it didn't change so vastly time it opened. And as you see, we still have these are what you call dividend pay. They're pending. still have this assignment here. I don't know if that done went through or what, but it's still showing up in my portfolio. Let's click on this, see what happens. And as you can see, the still got some options trading that are pending this morning. Puts in Nvidia. We're going to see what happens once those particular strategies is accepted into the market. That's going to end out this video. We're going to come back this evening and to see how well we did for today. Hope you guys have a good day and a even better day.
Tired of being broke? Want financial freedom? Then stop whining and start acting. Sick of your situation? What are you actually doing about it? Complaining won't fix your finances. Track every damn penny, slash those useless expenses, and crush your debt like it owes you. Start investing now, no excuses. Sitting around won't change a thing. It's time to hustle, grind, and make your money work for you. Financial freedom isn't a handout, it's a fight. So, are you ready to stop talking and start taking control? Prove it, or stay stuck forever.